Here's a little game from Lacademia. I know y'all been missing me. Hey now, so what in this puzzle does not fit or is incorrect that Elon Reeve Musk has attempted to murder Miss Tony Riesbeck? Because he's an asshole. And all the rest of you in Fort Lauderdale, you know Fort Lauderdale Lakes, over there by the, what is that? Oh, Fort Lauderdale, maybe my uncle's a judge, he's retired circuit court. Judge James Milton Riesbeck. Oh, I don't know, but I gotta go cash a check, because Elon just paid me, and so did retired Sheriff Terry Bradshaw and Charles, that fucker from Haiti, Saint Laurent, arrested her and Baker acted her so they could beat her and rape her and break her pelvic bone and back. Fuck you.